We want to express our special thanks to the CTO for inviting us to be part of this event through a panel discussion which was held earlier together with experts in the tourism industry. We are very pleased to be part of it, and we look forward to participating in even more events with the CTO and related organizations. The panel today, our focus was on source market intelligence from London to Lagos. And for me, my focus was on Lagos, given the organization that I represent, which is Afreximbank, the African Export-Import Bank. So Lagos was my area of interest. And what we will focus on is what is the market telling us now? What data do we have? And how can we use that data to expand our tourism industry to make it more attractive? And for us, Afreximbank, our presentation on the panel was focused on how do we support the tourism industry, what financial tools that we have available to support that industry, and what technical support that we can provide. The Caribbean and Africa has a long history, a long connection that dates back before our time, long before my time. So it is just about reconnecting our history, merging our cultures, and creating economic opportunity for our people, the people of Africa, the people of African descent, the people of global Africa, which includes Africa, plus the Caribbean region. So for us, we are happy to be the institution to facilitate it, to create the platform for it, and to be part of it. We are very mandate driven, so our mandate focuses on promoting trade and enabling trade. So the projects that we get involved in, they must include an element of trade. Luckily, tourism is the trade of the Caribbean. That's one of our biggest industries. So hence, we have tools available for companies operating within that space to support them with their infrastructure development, to support them with the necessary equipment to run these institutions like this beautiful hotel. We also have tools to support the trade infrastructure. If we start with the ports of entry, the airports, the seaports, and the necessary equipment, the aircraft, the vessels that you need to move people and to move goods. So we have the financing tools and financing structures available to support trade along those lines. Afreximbank has been existing for over 3 decades. We are headquartered in Cairo, Egypt. Now, the Afreximbank opened its Caribbean office here in Barbados just over 2 years ago, August 2023, and we serve 13 out of the 15 CARICOM member states out of our Barbados office. So for us, we are here. We want to talk to you. We want to hear from you, and we are ready to listen.